Hello everyone, welcome to my channel JJMarvelToys. Today we are unboxing Master Chief from the game series Halo Season 5. Let's do a 360 of the box and then we'll go into the details and then we unbox and we'll look at the figure. So here we have the box. It's a really nice box. I think it's from Jazwares, the toy company Jazwares. So you have Halo. Look at the box, Master Chief, Halo 5, 8 pieces. Then here on the side you have the Spartan collection on the top, and it's an Xbox game, so you have Xbox 343. Here you have the side view, Master Chief, Halo with accessories. And the other side is like an open box, you can see what's inside. It's a Series 8, and then you have Spartan, Belos Heran, then Commander Agrina, and Douglas 042. These are the other characters in the series. So you have the figure. Halo, let me just adjust the camera a bit. Yeah. Okay. So Halo, the Spartan collection, Master Chief, Halo 5, and then they also talk about what weapons come. It's Z750 binary rifle and Z110 bolt shot, and then additional hands. So it's a really good box. I really like it, like the shape of the box. You can really look at the figure and the additional hands that come. Look at the hands here and the weapons. So let's unbox. So unbox from below. Then click on the box. Okay. And there's some more stickers here on the side. Carefully. Yeah. I think this is my first time I'm unboxing a 6.5 inch or a 6 inch Halo figure. That's it. The box is empty. So here you have the figure in the plastic shell, all angles. Let's see if we can do a 360. The box is standing. Just doing a 360 of the plastic shell. Zoom in a bit. I've never played this game, Halo. I watched the series. I think they've released a video series and I watched that. It's really nice. I like the concept and the characters. And so let's unbox. Is this something that you can know? Yeah, there's a sticker here. I can zoom out a bit. Okay, so there's a plaster here that's holding. There's like a plastic thing holding the hands in. Let's just remove that. Okay. So he comes with 1, 2, and then he's already having one pair of hands. So that's 3 pairs, and then another extra hand. So 3 pairs. So let's remove the hands. Let's see. So there's 2 open hands. We can see it. Horizontal hinges. It's really good size for the hands. Compare that with, let's say I have Marvel Legends, Eric Killmonger. Look at his hand and the size of the hands. So we get one pair of open hands. Let's put that there. And then we get one pair of pointing hands. They're pointing. Also, they can probably hold a weapon with trigger fingers. So it's pointing or trigger hands. And then there is one more hand where two fingers are acting as a trigger finger. So it's probably like this. This also could be a hand which he uses to fire a weapon. Probably his big gun. It's called binary rifle. So he comes with a binary rifle and a bolt shot. So let's look at his binary rifle next. So there you have the rifle. It's slightly soft, pliable plastic, but this part, the center part, is strong. It's looking really nice. Good design. Let's look at it. Even the color, it's dark gray, light gray, orange. It's like a blaster. That's the front of it. Yeah. Then it's got like a laser finder or something. Yeah, so this is nice. Then let's look at the bolt shot. So even the bolt shot is similar colors, except that this has yellow instead of orange, but the grays are the same. Yeah, looks nice. So probably this is like a rifle and this is like a pistol or a handgun. So let's keep them aside and then let's take out the figure. I'm really excited. This is my first Halo figure. In fact, I've unboxed a couple of figures before, but those were like is it the 4-inch scale? I'm not 100% sure. Is it 3.4, 3.5, or the 4-inch scale figures? Yeah, I think they're 4-inch scale figures. So I've unboxed a few of them, but this is my first time I'm unboxing this scale of figure from Jazwares. So really nice, solid figure, very good plastic. First impressions are really good. Liking the figure. Let's look close up. Look at the head, the skull, it's reflecting my image. The side of it, back, top of the helmet, the other side. Good texturing, good coloring. I really like the visor. It's really nice. Goes up. Doesn't go down much, but goes up well. And then not much to turn to the side. It's do that. I don't want to turn it a lot and then spoil the. And then you have the arms with the shield, the shoulder protection. These are gripping. He comes with gripping arms, gripping hands, and ab crunch. Hardly there. Hardly any ab crunch. You can imagine because of the armor. Let's check the hand. Hands go up. This is a bit soft. It's moving faster, but this is a bit harder. Go around all the way. Is it double hinged elbows? I don't know. It looks like double hinged elbows, but it's not moving, so it's probably single hinged. I can see that. The other part of it is not moving. It's probably blocked by this. or it's just single hinged. That's pretty good motion. See, there's another hinge there, but it doesn't move because of the shoulder. Um, what is this called? The shoulder protection. Yeah, it's got. Can turn the hands, the arms, and hands horizontal hinges. Good. Legs can go out that much. You can kick pretty far. Look at the kick. Kick is good. Back, there's hardly any backward motion. And then double jointed pin knees. Knees are quite big. Look at the knee. The knee part is quite big. Should have been probably closer, but that's okay. It's a really solid figure. I like the build of it. Look at the legs. There is a peg hole. You can see the peg hole. Shoes look good. Solid shoes. Is there a hinge? Yes, there is a hinge. And pivot also. It has a pivot also. These are good. So let's see if it can stand on its own. And make the figure stand. Yes, the figure can stand on its own. Which is good. Let's see if we can hold the guns. No, this is too small. Okay, probably we'll hold it this way. Let's see from here. Yes. The gun looks slightly bent, probably because it was packed for a long time. And let's see. Come on. Can you hold it? Yes. Okay, that looks really nice. I'll just put it up back here. That's a solid for holding the binary rifle. Then let's see if we can hold the pistol. Yes, I think it can. Just a bit stiff. Okay, that's good. Come on, just go a little bit up. Or does it need the other hand? Let me check if the other hand can hold it tighter. So here we have the other hand, the pointer finger, single pointed. Just trying to, can you see it? Come on, let's see. Yeah, this is much better at holding the pistol. So I'm gonna change the hand. I'm gonna put this one. Yes, there's a click. Somehow they've given horizontal hinges. They should have given vertical hinges, at least for the shooting, holding the weapons. That's good. I think that's good. That's good. Let's check the height of the figure and the weight of the figure. I'm gonna remove the pistol. the hand straight. Okay. So first let's check the height. Height is around, wow, it's 7 point, almost 7.2 or 7.25. Yeah, 7.25 inches, and in centimeters, that's around 18 centimeters. Yes, that's around 18 centimeters. Let's also check the weight. Let me get the weighing scale out. Okay, set it to grams. Okay, let me just adjust the camera for you to see it. Can you see? Yeah, slightly adjust it. Okay, let's set it to 0 and make the figure. Let me make it stand. So it can stand. Okay. What suddenly happened? What happened? Till now the figure was standing, and then suddenly one leg feels longer. So that's 148 grams. If I even add the 2 grams, 166 grams. So let's check in pounds. And that is around 0.368 pounds with the weapons. Without the weapons, it is 0.328 pounds. So that's it. Let's do a final review of the figure and compare it with other figures. I'm just putting the weighing scale away. So overall, I like the figure. It looks really good, really solid. Can stand it on its own. It's equivalent, though they say it's 6.5 inch figure. The height is 7 inches. Let me see if I have a 7-inch figure with me. I have He-Man. Look at the height. He's taller than He-Man. Actually, if you watch the series compared to other normal, general, regular characters, the Spartans are much taller. So basically, even if you go with a regular 6-inch figure, let's see if I have a 6-inch figure. I have Everett Ross. So if you look at the 6-inch figure in the series, Everett Ross is a slightly smaller person, but yeah, the Spartan figures are much taller compared to regular humans. So probably we could take it to us to be a 6-inch figure or 6-inch scale, though the figure height is 7-inch, but the scale is 6-inch scale. I forgot to mention this. See here, if you look at the side here, you have this small kind of a insert. You can just take it out, turn it around, and then insert it back. So that brings a peg out, and that is where, if you look at the weapon, it can peg into that. So here you could be holding the weapon on the side, and then even on the back here, if you see, there is something in there which you can remove. Let me see if I can remove it with my nails. It's easy to remove, but yeah, let's come out. So I just removed it. I turn it inside out and I peg it in the same way. Yeah, you can see that. And then the binary rifle has a peg hole here. which actually goes in there. Actually, it's not flush into the back. There's a lot of gap in there. If you see, there's a gap there, and the rifle is like it's not straight. So don't think we can help that. Let's see if I put it this way. No, this I don't think is the right way. This is the right way, but these boosters on the back kind of hindering it. So I think that's fine. As long as he can reach back and take it. And I don't like this hand. I'm going to remove it and put his gripping hand back. I like the grip hand. So yeah. Let me just put his rifle in the back. Okay, that's good. That's good enough. I think later on after the video, I'm going to just try and straighten the rifle. Slightly bent. Let's just put him, make him stand there. Remove the hands. Yeah, so that's the figure. I'll just camera it. Okay, so if you can see him. That's Master Chef, Master Chief, not Master Chef, sorry. Master Chef is about cooking, and Master Chief is a protector, he's a warrior. I'm really excited about this figure today. I'm just going to go back later and try out different poses. For now, let's do a slight comparison with other figures. So I have Marvel Legends Iron Man Model 20. Just for a height comparison, I have a very tall figure, M'Baku. This is the Legacy Collection Marvel Legends M'Baku. Look at the height difference. And though these two are have a good height, still Master Chief towers over them. I'm also going to check out another tall figure from Hasbro, Overwatch, Zarya. Look at Zarya. Zarya is like one of the tallest figures that I have in the 6-inch series. And Master Chief is much taller than her. I also wanted to show a few other figures. Let's see. While we are at Marvel Legends, that's Spider-Man MK1. Sorry. Sorry, I just dropped everything. Let me just fix it in 2 seconds. Okay. This one doesn't sit all the way in. Just takes in like that. Okay, so here we have Master Chief again. And then Spider-Man MK1. Let's just push them a little bit back. So, yeah, look at the size difference. It's a lot. Then I have from the classified series, I have BAT backed. I think the gun is the rifle is pulling in. That's another rifle. Okay, so I have classified series, and I have Scratch from Legendary series. And I have this. Just put Scratch. Scratch is an exact 6-inch figure. So that's good comparison. Then who else? Let's look at Superman from JJMarvelToys. This is a 7-inch scale figure. Look at 7-inch. So they're almost the same height. Almost, yeah. That's a good comparison. But Superman is much more bulkier, bigger. And then from the Marvel Legends series, let's look at some of the bigger figures. Here I have this is hold on. I have Ironmonger. Let's see if I can make him stand. Yeah. So Ironmonger is a builder figure from Marvel Legends, and much bigger. So look at the height. He's matching Ironmonger's height. And I also have this one. This is very similar to Ironmonger's height. And Mandroid. Yeah, this is also a builder figure. It's Mandroid. Look at the height difference. And then I would also like to show you Hulkbuster. Marvel Legends Hulkbuster. Let me just put him up here. Look at the height difference. Let's just zoom out a bit. Yes, Hulkbuster is almost, I would say, 9 inches tall. Now I have to really stretch and move them back. So there you have, folks. That's Halo Master Chief from JJMarvelToys. Just want to put him back in his rifle, holding his rifle, and we'll do a 360 before we close. Let me do it. Yeah, so here you can see the figure. Master Chief from this is from the series 5 by Jazwares. So let's just do a 360. And if you have any comments, suggestions to my videos, please let me know in the comments. Do share, like, and subscribe to my videos. And God bless you. Take care. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you soon. Bye.